Congratulations number 3. Grabe, dili kayo maglagyo ila for sa percentage. Okay. Congratulations. Our candidate number 3. For third runner-up, Kinsa Kaha, nakakuha of 82%. Contestant number 2. Number 2. Our third runner-up. May lang diferensya, no? Receive the cash certificate and also the cash for third runner-up. Congratulations. Thank you, Ma'am Lucinda. Of course, ayan na, ang ato ang second runner-up. Nakakuha siya of 87.3. 87.3. Congratulations. Candidate number 8. Oh my goodness. Please give the award and prize to our candidate number 8. Bisas Anti our church and Pablos Benita. No, good luck. No, sa atong candidate number 10 and 5. Kinsa Kaha. Okay? Kinsa Kaha sa idahang duha. Kinsa Kaha. Ano na lang? Ang akong tawagon ang mamahimo ng Miss Gay 2025. Ang akong tawagon karon na siya na ang Miss Gay. Kung pasabot, ang dili patawag siya ang magiging first runner-up. Okay. Sa ilang duha, sa kagwapa, ka-sexy o ka-height, o pinaagi sila mga tubag sila pangutanat, Kinsa Kaha ang gaspin kaha o makadawat o corona. Miss K 2025 nakakuha og 93% goes to candidate number 10. Nasa kamot sa 5 again? O sa 10? Taas. Hallelujah naman, boy. Congratulations, candidate number our Miss K 2025 number 5. Woo! Congratulations, candidate number 5, our Miss K, and our first runner-up, candidate number 10. Nakakuha siya og 89.6. Medyo na yun, no? 89.6. Okay? Please give the certificate to our first runner-up, number 89.6. Congratulations. Very quick to give the asa naman to itong corona? Iyahan na siya, ma'am. Are, ma'am. Yan. Siya nga itong first runner-up, no? Kakuha siya 89.6. Okay, congratulations. Anong first hour? Miss K 2025. Ayan. So, sa wakas, no? Nakuha yun. Corona. Isa mag-turnover sa Corona. Oh, wala pa. First day? Wow! First batch game siya. So, ayan. So, congratulations, yours. So, you are the best, no?